Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are discussing an important scholarship sponsored by HRD Ministry on the name Medhavi National Scholarship Scheme Saksham. Medhavi National Scholarship Scheme Saksham for the year 2021. And this scholarship is the first time I have been seeing now. It has open for all. There is no income limit. There is no reservation. Only the thing is there. The student has to be minimum pass is 10 standard, and till the PhD he can apply for this scholarship. And here there will be a exam will be there online. So those students who have a mobile, Android mobile, they are eligible for this scholarship. So minimum qualification will be the 10th, and up to the higher, that is the research, the student can apply for this scholarship, that is Medhavi National Scholarship Scheme Saksham, and it is sponsored by HRD Ministry. The Ministry of HRD has been announced this scholarship. So this is a very important one, and this is the first scholarship is there where everyone has to pay registration charges. 300 rupees charges will be there, and those who pass 35 above marks, they got the 35% marks on online test. This registration charges will be refunded for those students. Yes, we'll start this scholarship. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head Department of Geology, Anjuman Khairul Islam's Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. First, we'll see the important scholarship which will be sponsored by the Medhavi National Scholarship Scheme. So there are the 5 scholarships are there. I have missed out this dates for this scholarship, that is Swabhiman, then Savlamban, Samman, and this is the Saksham. So these are the 4. One more is missing now. So there are the 5 scholarships we are going to get on this particular portal, that is the Medhavi medhaviionline.org. This is the portal where you can go on that portal. You have to download the app, register the app, and from that app you have to go on filling all your information, and you have to apply for this examination, and every payment has to be done from that app itself, whether you can do it from the card, whether any one of the option, net banking, whichever the option will be there, it has been given. Everything has given in a detail on that particular app. Those who want, they can go for the Medhavi Online Scholarship .org online, and there they can fill out this one. So last date for this particular scholarship for filling the form is the 15th May 2021. And now we'll see the important dates about this particular scholarship. The application is started in 1st April 2021. Application deadline is just we have discussed, it is the 15th May 2021. The exam date will be there on 30th May 2021. We'll see detail about the examination, how they are conducted, what will be the portion of the examination, and the result will be declared on 2nd June 2021. But here everyone has to be paid the registration charges. The result and the answer key published date will be there on 2nd June 2021 at 9 a.m. It will be declared on the portal. Raise objection against the portion which are there. It is on 2nd June, and documentation and bank detail. Those who clear this exam and now they got the more than 35% marks, then they have to give the documents and the bank account details, and that will be between 2nd to 4th June. So if you not given this detail in between this, you are going to miss out the chance. So don't make that mistake again. Then the verification, refund or scholarship distribution will be there between the 5th June to 7th June 2021. And this scholarship process will begin on 9 June 2021. So this is all systematic. All the dates are given on that portal, that is medhavionline.org. Everything is there. So, but I have given here that these are the things which will be required. Yes, this is what we have. The Medhavi, the portal is there. National Scholarship Portal, that scheme is there. So here we have the notification, then apply online. This is the registration fee deposit. Then here we have the candidates feedback, contact us, notifications which are the coming regularly, results will be there, then download and upcoming examination. So that will be all things have been given about this on this portal. So this is the HRD ministry is there. This is the portal of the HRD ministry, and here you have to pay the online charges for this particular examination is 300 rupees. Yes, we'll see about this particular scholarship, that is the National Scholarship Scheme Saksham. This is the Saksham scholarship, has been sponsored by HRD ministry. And this is the HRD ministry. This mission is invite application for National Scholarship Scheme, that is the Saksham HRDM, that is 2021 form for those who pass the 10th standard, who has taken admission in 11, those who are in the 12, those who are there in graduation, any graduation, whether arts, science, commerce is there, or we have the computer is there, then BE is there, medical is there, or paramedical engineering courses are there, diploma is there. So all these or PG courses are there, as well as the research. Up to the research, these students are eligible for this particular scholarship. And what will be the deadline will be there? That is the 15th May. And what is the age group? Is the 16 to 40 years is the age group. Medhavi National Scholarship Scheme. That is the application for Saksham scholarship. There are the 5 scholarship I just told you, but now today we are just going to see today, that is the Saksham scholarship examination 2021. The scholarship will be awarded solely on the merit basis on competitive examination. That is online examination they are going to conduct, and on that online examination they have to qualify that examination, and there are the 4 options are there, A, B, C type, that we'll see. So this is a step of HRD ministry for Digital India initiative. This online examination reduces the processing time of the results and help deliver scholarship to meritorious students from a faster way. The selected applicants will receive up to 12,000, then 6,000, then 3,000, and in the last category they get their registration charges. So these are the 4 different categories are there. Now what should be the eligibility for this particular scholarship? That the applicant should be past 10th standard, any board is, and the second he has to take the admission in the 11th. Those who pass the 12th, they have to take the admission in graduation, any graduation, or those graduates are there, they have to take the admission in post-graduation. And those who have passed the post-graduation, if they have taken the admission in the research, they are also eligible for this application. No income, no merit, whatever the age is also there, the age is given, group is 16 to 40 years. What will be the benefits are there? In this benefit, there are the 4 categories are there. On the basis of that, they are distributed the scholarship in 2 installments. The first A-type scholarship, in this scholarship, those who secure 60% and above marks in the on that online examination, in the first month they get 6,000 rupees, and in the second month or the second installment is there of 6,000. In total, they are going to get the 12,000 rupees. Then the type B scholarship, in this category, those students has got the marks 50 above and less than 60%, that is 59.9%. So those are come under the category B scholarship, and in this scholarship they are going to get first installment of 3,000, second installment of 3,000. Then the type C, in this scholarship the marks should be above 40% and below 50%, that is 49.99 marks, and up to 40%. If this is the C category type of scholarship, in this first installment of 1,500 and the second installment is also 1,500, once total 3,000. So in the B category 6,000, and A category there will be 12,000, and in the last category there will be 100% fee will be refunded for those students who have secured 35% marks and up 39.5, that is above whichever those who are there, it will be 300 rupees will be one time, it will be refunded to that students. The next one category, how you can apply, is that is a very important. So here the step is given. You have to go to the Medhavi.org, medhaviionline.org. In on that online, you have to go and apply the button, and now you have to download the Medhavi application and install on your Android mobile. That is where you have to have the Android mobile. This will be applicable only for the Android mobile, and that Android, once you install, then we start filling the scholarship application form. All the details we have to submit, and that will be submit to this particular one. The selection criteria, it is based on the competitive examination. Now see what are the competitive examination, what are the terms and conditions is there for this particular scholarship. The applicants are required to pay an application fee of rupees 300 rupees for only competitive examination. It is not refunded, but it is refunded to the selected one. That 300 rupees has to pay, and the terms, the next condition is that the examination contains 4 categories. The first one, reasoning. Yes, that will be a reasoning category is there. Second one, quantitative aptitude is there. Third one, general studies. These 3 categories are there in English as well as in Hindi language. Both the language, these 3 categories sections are available in both the languages, English and Hindi. But the next one, English, that section is only in the English. So these are the 4 sections are there. The duration of the examination is 18 minutes, and you have to attend 40 questions. Yes, so you have to see now how many times will be required to solve one question. So on the basis of that, you have to go and solve properly. All the questions will be available in English and Hindi, except the English section is in the English language. For each wrong answer, 1/3 mark will be deducted. Yes, that will be a penalty will be there, and the marks will be deducted for the wrong answer. The selection process for the scholarship is comprised of online tests, and that is of multiple choice. MCQs will be there. Now we'll see the structure of the syllabus. So what we have structured, there are the 4 sections are there. See, the first section is the reasoning, and how many questions will be there? 11 questions. And how many marks will be there? 11 means each question has 1 mark. And the quantitative aptitude section will be having 11 questions, and their maximum marks will be 11. And the general studies having 9 questions, and maximum marks will be 9. So total 31 marks will be there, or 31 questions and 31 marks for these 3 sections. And the last section is the English, where we have 9 questions will be there and carries the 9 marks. So total we have 40 questions, 40 marks, and total duration for these 4 sections which is given is total for 18 minutes. And as we have seen, the penalty is there. Is if you give the wrong answer, 1/3 mark will be deducted. Now this is what we have, the general studies syllabus which is given. This is also there in the portal. The general studies are there, then general aptitudes, then quantitative aptitude, then English language. So these are the what we have. The 4 sections are there. They are there, and they are the basic questions are there. And the test will be conducted only on Medhavi National Scholarship application. That is the Android mobile. On that Android application, only this examination is conducted, and application can be downloaded from Google Play Store. Link to the download mobile application, and all the whatever the website is there, it is providing all the details over there on that. And all the update regarding the examination will be updated on the website. Candidate must visit the website to know the latest information updates regarding the examination. Now, most of the students are not familiar with this particular examination, competitive MCQs. So there will be a mock test will be given on this national portal. Yes, Medhavi National Scholarships portal section. There, students can advise to go on that portal and attempt a mock test in well in advance, make a practice, so that you will get a familiar with this and how many times we are required to solve this particular question, in how many seconds are there with this mobile. You have to make the practice. So there are the 40 questions and 40 marks are there, and the minutes will be there. that is the 18 minutes. So roughly 35 to 40 seconds will be there for one question is there. So with that speed, you have to complete. Yes, the section will be consist of 4 sections that we already seen. Yes, and the time is given 18 minutes. Then any discrepancy shall be, you can't go back. Say example, a question second, you could not get the answer. So you put the press next question. So now you remember the answer for the second, but you can't go back. So there is no backward back button, go back button is there. So you go on forward these questions and take the whatever the challenge is there of that particular exam, you have to complete within the 18 minutes. Candidates need to attempt the question appearing on the screen and press the next button, leaving the question unanswered or answered one. Candidate must make sure that they attempt provided question within the given time limit, as no extra time will be given. Test will be automatically submitted on completion of your time. So no need, there is no press that enter button is not there. Once the 18 minutes are over, automatically it will be submitted. The fee test, there will be a registration charges 300 rupees for all the categories, whether it is unreserved, that is open category, OBC, ST, everyone, there will be 300 rupees, and it is only for the online test for this section examination, and this money will not be adjusted to some other one. And those students who has got 35% online and above that, they will be refunded this 300 rupees, deducting only the bank transferable charges. Application without the prescribed payment will not be considered. Yes, if you not make the payment and you have filled the form, so your form will be rejected. No representation against such rejection. So once you fill the form, payment has to be done. If you not done the payment, your application will be rejected, and that should be, you have to complete before 15 May, 12 midnight of the 15 May 2021. You have to fill all the details and you have to pay the registration charges. The prescribed fee for online test only. Merely payment fee does not entitle an applicant for the other scholarship. This is Saksham scholarship on the Medhavi portal. Only for this particular examination, this 300 rupees will be charged. Payment once paid will not be refunded. Any circumstances, only those students who has been passed, for them it is given. And this is what we have. The advertisement number of the scheme has been given. Under the point above, nor can the fee will be held in reserve for any other examination. I hope this is clear from my side. All the students who has passed the 10th standard and taken admission in higher till the PhD, they can apply. And especially those students who are preparing for competitive examination, right from the simple examination, that is a railway examination, bank examinations, or defense examinations, CDS examinations, or the MPSC, UPSC examination, these students can avail this facility and go for this scholarship and appear for this examination by just paying 300 rupees as a registration charges. I hope this is clear. From my side, I request the viewers, subscribers, go for this scholarship and get the advantage how these competitive examinations are conducted and get familiar with this phenomenon. So in future might be you're going for the class 1 officer, class 2 officer, or railway examination, or bank examination, or PSI examination, whichever the all competitive examination which have been conducted by the state board as well as the UPSC board. I hope this is clear. Have a nice day. Thank you.